Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, back with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. All right, inside of our Fly Racing helmet garage, we have the all-new Alpine Stars SuperTech R10 glossy white matte black carbon helmet. As of the time we're shooting this video, this helmet retails for $999.95. This is the most basic design of the SuperTech R10 helmet launch. It is going to ship with a clear shield, a dark smoke shield, which I've installed for this video, a pin lock insert, as well as your first pack of race tear-offs. Of all the designs, this is the most subtle and basic, with the biggest contrast being the difference between the glossy white paint and your matte black carbon finish at the back of the helmet. The entire shell itself is in fact carbon fiber. This is the all-new Alpine Star SuperTech R10 glossy white solid helmet.